I was worried you blowed my reputation, but I figured it's not on me. Yeah, yeah, yeah. The way you're making me shiver, your hands on myself, I keep pulling the trigger, alright. This rare finger for people like them. Oh, no, no. But darling, on my mind, I'm feeling so fly up in the zone.
Hi guys, so today's video is a collective haul video. I got some of my Nordstrom anniversary sale ordered through already. I had a friend fly back from the US and they were able to stop by a Nordstrom store. So I don't have tons, but I did get some really, really good bits. So I will be sharing those. I do have a couple of other items from Nordstrom, as well as a very exciting Louis Vuitton unboxing. So I hope you guys enjoy. Just a little reminder as well that the Nordstrom anniversary sale is now open to ambassadors as well as icons, and the influencer level will open in a few short hours as well. So soon everyone with a card will be able to shop. If you wanted a comprehensive list of everything that I ordered, then I will go ahead and link my blog post. I do have a couple of video guides already up as well if you're interested in those, so I will link everything down below. I did also want to mention my Reese coat as well, because they initially had this in the preview, they then pulled it for whatever reason, and now they brought it back into stock. So this one is the one I have in teal and in camel. They also have this in the navy now as well. They have had the teal one all along, but for some reason the navy and the camel one disappeared for a good few days. No idea why, but it is currently back in stock, and at the time of filming it is fully stocked in sizes. So if you've been waiting to get your hands on this coat, it's just absolutely gorgeous. What I highly recommend. It's beautiful quality. It is double face construction as well. So you're getting a very, very well made item. And this is just so classic. I've had mine for years. They bring it back year after year. And I just think it's a gorgeous piece. First up, this blazer. And unfortunately this one was full price, but to be honest, I would happily pay full price for this any day of the week. It is just the most gorgeous blazer. I love the color. They have a whole suit in this color, but I just fell in love with this blazer. I thought it was gorgeous. It is a double-breasted one, so it has a nice medium fit. It's not too boxy, it's not too slim, it's just right. The fabric is so soft and silky smooth. It is fully lined as well. You have that beautiful button detail, which just adds a little bit of contrast, and I'm just full on in love with this color. It is just the perfect sky blue. I always love my baby blues as well. I think they're so easy to match. They look great with denim, but they're also lovely to lighten up a pair of pants, and I just absolutely adore it. So beautiful, a little bit pricey, but the fit and the cut is just so nice. I know the quality is always so great, and I'm just obsessed. Next up is the anniversary sale purchase, which I think I am most excited about. It's this fantastic bag, and I know it may not look anything special, but I just use things like this all the time. As a mum of 2 kids, I need to carry a lot of stuff, and I need to carry a lot of other people's stuff as well. This bag is huge. It is so lightweight. I think it would be great for travel, but also just great for day-to-day if you do have to carry a lot of stuff like I do. And I'm just obsessed with pretty much everything about it. I wasn't familiar with the brand before the sale, but I spotted it, looked it up, and this bag just gets absolutely rave reviews. So you do have the logo right there, and then you have a nice supported base. It is a fabric one, so I do think it's gonna be waterproof. This one comes in both black and the dark brown, which is what this one is. It is incredibly lightweight. You do also have this supported and reinforced strap as well, so it sits incredibly comfortably on your shoulder. And this bag is absolutely huge. Like, it's so good. You have pockets and organization galore. So you have 2 pockets right there, which are kind of netted, so very breathable, which is fantastic. You do also have a zip pocket on the other side right there too. And then you do also have this inner bag as well. This is completely removable, but it is currently attached, and it's mesh too. So this would be great as a gym bag, but if you have young kids, you will understand how useful mesh bags and breathable bags are. Just so genius. I love this so much. It does also come with a longer strap too. If you wanted to wear it crossbody or just kind of longer on the shoulder, it does fit beautifully on the shoulder just as it is though. And I am so excited about this bag. Just so beautifully designed. You even have little side pockets there too if you wanted to put snacks or water, whatever it is on the side. Just the best bag. I'm literally gonna start using this today. Just so good. I'm so excited about it. Next up is the other bag I got in from the end sale, and to be honest, I had pretty limited expectations of this simply because the price point was pretty low. It is from Madewell. I have one other bag style from Madewell, and actually it's been really great, which is what caused me to look at this one. And legitimately, it is absolutely gorgeous. I have a few suede totes now, most of which are much more expensive than this, like 3-4 times the price. This looks more expensive than those ones. Like the dark suede is so gorgeous. It's a really nice, smooth dark suede as well. Like it just feels so luxurious when you touch it. The proportions are also perfect as well. Like it sits very nicely on your shoulder, but I don't feel like it's too big. Like so many times a nice large tote bag can be so big that it just drowns you, whereas this is a nice normal size. Like yes, it is large, you will be able to fit in all of your items and then some, but it isn't so big when you wear it that it just absolutely drowns you. And I thought this is fantastic. You can expand the sides out, but you can also wear it a bit neater as well. You do have a very strong magnetic closure, which I love. And apart from that, it's just a wide, big open space. You have a pocket right there on the back, but that's about it. And then you do have this extra bit of fastening right there as well, just to keep your items secure. But I love this. I think it is super, super chic. It looks to be very, very well constructed. You have a nice reinforced base as well. I hate sagging bags on the base, whereas I don't think that this is going to have that problem. And I just thought this was fantastic. So over the moon, thrilled with this, just such a solid buy, and the anniversary sale price was so, so good. Next up, I have this trench coat, which is very, very creased because it's just come out of a suitcase. So I promised to steam it before trying it on, but I thought this was so, so nice. I love how classic it is. It's also very, very lightweight. All my other trench coats just have a fair bit of weight to it, which is nice in terms of the quality, but you don't always want something super heavy, whereas this is just gonna be so nice for when it isn't super cold, but it is a bit rainy. Like this is just gonna be perfect. Very light, very, very comfortable to wear. I love the cream color with the little buttons right there. I think it just looks so classic, quite fancy looking, and the fit is just so nice. You can wear it with sleeves rolled up, just full length if you want to. It's not overly long either, so it's more of like a short jacket trench coat, which I think is quite nice. My other trench coats are more of like a long midi length. And I just thought this was great, a really solid price. You can wear it a few different ways, and just a really, really classic, solid item. And then this little button down, and again, it is so creased, so I will give this a steam, but I had a gap in my wardrobe for more of a shirt type button down. I didn't want anything denim, I didn't want anything too stiff, so I wanted something a bit more on the breathable side, but just still very classic. I wanted a blue, saw this, and I just thought it was kind of perfect. It's a slim fit, it's not overly boxy, but at the same time, it's not super skinny and tailored, which I think can look a little bit dated now, whereas this is just the right fit, very, very nice quality. Like the stitching is just so nice, and it's just kind of a regular classic shirt, which is exactly what I wanted. I do think it was a solid price, and yeah, I'm just so, so happy with this. Exactly what I wanted, and just a really good price at the end sale. And then I did get this dress, which I just thought was the prettiest thing. I love the print and the color so much. It's just so elegant. It has a slightly lower back, it has adjustable straps, which I love, fully lined, and this pattern is just gorgeous. It is a watercolor floral print, the prettiest pinks. The base is like a lovely cream, and then you have this pleated detail right there, cinches in at the waist right under the bust. And I just thought this was the dreamiest thing, like so romantic, beautifully fitting, and I just couldn't get enough. Like such a gorgeous summer dress. I'm just so, so in love with this print. And now for my Louis Vuitton unboxing, and this is actually the same bag in 2 different prints. I couldn't decide, so I wanted to get them both to compare. I've never seen this bag in person, so I'm keeping my fingers crossed that I like it. I've seen so many reviews and mod shots, so I have a fair idea of it, but again, I've never seen it in person, so I'm hoping I'm going to like it. This is a true unboxing. You have box number 1. So here is the dust bag. Oh, this is the Damier Azur one. So this is the all-in BB bag. I believe this bag was released last year in terms of the introduction of the style. I was not made aware of it up until a month ago, and since then I've been a little bit obsessed with it. So this is obviously the Damier Azur with the most gorgeous baby blue lining. I'm always a sucker for baby blue. You might have been able to tell that from the blazer I shared earlier. And I just thought this was fantastic. This can be worn a few different ways. I'm not typically speaking a huge fan of bucket bags, but I just loved how versatile this was in terms of the many ways to wear it. You can fold it in, you can wear it with a longer strap, the shorter strap, just really, really versatile. And I just love easy to use bags, especially now that I have 2 littles. Like, it's just invaluable to me if a bag is genuinely super flexible and easy to use. I love the fact that you get a little coin purse as well. Like, this feels like surprisingly good value for Louis Vuitton. Obviously it's not exactly a bargain, it's still LV, but I was pleasantly surprised that they actually included this. You have a lot of space on the interior there. Like, that's a really, really nice space. You have little details like the lock, like it does feel like they really thought it through. And I think this is fantastic. So you can actually cinch it in right there. So again, you can wear it a few different ways. I will do mod shots and kind of share exactly how you can wear it, but I think that is super cute. I'm very happy that it wasn't a complete dud, because you just never know when you buy things online. But yeah, I think that is gorgeous. Okay, so now unboxing the second bag. Same style, just a different material and colour. Okay, so this is the same style, the all in BB bag. And this one has, oh, this one's already attached with the long strap. I wonder if this means it was a return. It still looks lovely though, so I don't think there are any issues with it. So yeah, this is exactly the same style, but in the empreinte leather. There was obviously a price difference. I like the fact this is a reinforced base, like that feels very sturdy. Sometimes empreinte bags, the structure just isn't there because it's a heavier fabric than canvas. I always pay attention to the base and the structure of the bag if it is empreinte, whereas this actually seems like it's going to be okay. And then you have the long strap, but then you can also shorten it to the short strap as well, and you have all the same details as the other one. You have the little coin purse right there, again in that lovely empreinte, and they've just gone for a cream interior with this one. I honestly don't know which one I prefer. I feel like they're both really nice. I think maybe the empreinte one feels a little bit more luxurious, which often is the case with empreinte. It's also more expensive, so that makes sense. But I do love how summery the damier Azera is. I'm not sure. What do you guys think? Let me know which one you would pick down below in the comment section. Would you go for the damier Azera or would you go for the empreinte? I do have a Neverfull in the damier Azera, which I love. I still use all the time. So maybe that's a tick in the box for this one, but I also feel like this one might be a bit more kind of all year round, just because I feel like damier Azera is more of a spring summer style, whereas I do feel like even though this is a pale color, you could maybe wear it all year round. So I'm not sure. Let me know what you think in the comment section. Would you go empreinte or would you go for the damier Azera? Back to some end-sole purchases now. I did also get in these gorgeous earrings, and I actually discovered this brand, I can't remember whether it was last year or the year before, also through the end sale, and they just do the most beautiful statement jewelry, and I saw these and I thought they were fantastic. I don't often go for statement jewelry, but the ones that I do tend to be from this brand because they just do embellishments so beautifully. The designs are always so nice, so great to wear as well, very, very comfortable. I thought these were fantastic, like beautiful, really statement making gold earrings, so unusual, and I just love these. So very much for like date nights and special occasions, but I thought the price was pretty good. I knew the quality was good from previous years, and I just thought these were fantastic. And then I do have some YSL makeup as well. So YSL have a set included in the sale. So it is these two. So you have their blush and then you also have their lipstick as well. If you've not tried YSL Beauty blushes, they are fantastic. I have another one right here. These are the only blushes I use now. The color is amazing. It's so pigmented, such pretty shades as well, but very wearable. So you don't get any streakiness. It's just like a lovely pop of color, like a really lovely flush, lasts all day long, and it definitely doesn't hurt that the packaging is next level gorgeous. So would highly recommend the blushes in general, but the set featured in the end sale is actually very, very good value. The color is beautiful. So it's number 44, I believe. So it's matching blush and lipstick, and it's such an easy hack to look really pulled together to match your blush and your lipstick. It just creates the prettiest glow and flush. It's what I'm wearing here today. And then you have that gorgeous, gorgeous color, and then also the beautiful lipstick. I love YSL lipsticks because not only do they go on so beautifully, very shiny, very moisturizing, but they also smell like fruit punch. Like they smell so good. Again, the packaging is stunning too. And this is just the prettiest rosy pink color, just absolutely gorgeous. Such a great value set, and I am so in love with these shades. And then I did also get another little charm. This is, I think, my third one of this type. But if you've not discovered these charms, then this is from Maison de Sabre, and they basically do little coin purses that you can attach to your bag. You can also pop air tags in them, which is what I use them for. So I have these on keys, inside my wallet, in my bags, like basically anywhere you can lose anything, and they're just great. I mean, air tags need no instruction obviously, and I just love the fact that these are a really cute, fun, quirky way of actually like holding them. So they're functional, but it's also fashion, which I think is the best combination. This one is in a little orange one. I also have the plain circle one, which is included too, and I also have the apple one as well, and these are just adorable. They're beautifully made, and I just think they're so fun. I would have these in every combo. I also have a Hello Kitty one that I got. Like, I just adore them, and yeah, just the funnest things. And then I did get a few bits in from Varley as well. Unfortunately, I paid full price for these, but they are included in the end sale for much better prices. I used a gift card that I got from Christmas actually, so it's been ages, but I needed some new workout sets and this material is absolutely amazing. So I got the sports bra and the leggings. The leggings are unbelievably good. Like, I never usually like compression leggings, mainly because I like to be comfortable. These are the perfect combo of buttery soft whilst also holding you in a bit, which is just a combo I am all about. I still need a little bit of support around my stomach area. I'm still working on kind of reducing the C-section pooch, and so these are just perfect, very comfortable indeed, and they actually are just as good in terms of form and function as they are in terms of looking good and also feeling good, and I'm just obsessed. So the colours included in the end sale are, there's a like deep plum colour, there's a dark green, and I think there's like a copper brown colour as well. Perfect for autumn, really lovely shades. The sports bra is a lovely fit too, and would just highly recommend. These are fantastic. And then I also got this lovely knit, and this is just the coziest thing. It's so nice. The one I got is in kind of like a very pale lilac. They have 3 colors included in the end sale, I believe. There's one light oatmeal color and then a couple of other colors as well. And this is just perfect for, you know, after working out, just lounging around, even errand running. It does have this beautiful knit pattern all the way through, a nice zip up area in the front there, a great rib collar. There is a little bit of stretch to it, but nothing too crazy, and this is just like the perfect throw on. It feels very luxurious, it fits beautifully, and you just can't beat Varley. Like, yes, they're expensive, but the quality is second to none. I'm just completely in love. So that wraps up this video, guys. I will pop links to everything I featured along with the size I took in the description section, and I will pin everything to a top comment as well. Any questions, leave them for me down below, and as always, thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next one. Bye, guys.